Hello everyone, my name is Yash Rajput. I'm from ENTC branch. Today, I will be explaining the concept of set in Python, which is a part of Python programming basic. I will also show a real life example that will be useful for everyone to understand it. Let's go. What is a set? So a set in Python is a collection of unique elements. Simply, a set is those elements that are unique, that are not repeated. This is the uniqueness of set that it do not allows a repetition of elements. We'll just see it after few slides. So how does a set look in Python? Like many other like list, tuple, dictionary that everyone has a syntax, proper syntax, set also has. So a set is written using a curly brackets and elements are separated by commas. Following is the syntax. So what is the syntax? It is simply curly brackets separating elements by comma. The example is given here. Set equals to curly brackets. There are three elements stored and separated by using comma. Let's go further. So what's the characteristics of set in Python? No duplicate values. The set automatically removes repeated elements. We just discussed before that it do not allows repetition of elements in it. So it always removes the repeated element and only allow the unique elements present in the set. Afterwards, unordered collection. Elements in a set do not have a fixed order. So like any other in dictionary list there's proper in list there's proper identification, and in dictionary there's a key value pair where by key we just can call the dictionary, but in set there is no proper orderness in it, so therefore it's unordered collection. Mutable, we can add remove elements from a set, so we can just easily add, we can just easily remove elements as per our choice. Defined sets are defined using curly braces and commas. So here there is a point to note here. If we have to make an empty set, we have to use first we have to write this name set, and afterwards we have to use the curly brackets. As if we only use curly brackets, it will just go to the dictionary, as dictionary also has a curly brackets. So we will just read it after this slide. But now let's take an example. Here we have taken set called as number, that is equal to curly brackets elements that are separated by commas, and they are numbers. So there are 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4. Afterwards, we have using print function to print the number, and the output here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So by seeing the output, you can just see that there is no three number, that because it's repeated in the set. So in the output, it automatically get removed due to its repetition. So yeah, let's go further now. What's the difference between a set and a dictionary? So let's see first about data structure. In sets, it stores only values. In set, it only stores value. Yeah, we have just seen the example. In this way, it stores in the form of key and value pair. So yeah, it only stores key and value, and it stores it their pair. But in our sets, we only use values. Duplicate values. As said, do not allow duplicate values. We just seen the number example where we used three double time, but it only allowed one three to pass, and in it in it output. In this way, key must be unique. Key must be unique. Value can be same, but in this way, you must note that key must be unique. What's the syntax? We also talked earlier that both start from the curly brackets, but separated by the storing value, because here we only use values, here we use key value pair. So this is the only difference that is there in both. Let's go further now. Let's take an example that is there in real life. So I have taken voting system because in election a person votes, in election there should be only one vote that is to be count, and a person cannot vote twice. So a set can be used here. I have taken an example where I have taken a set called as voters equal, and which is equal to uh, curly brackets, and the elements called as Mayank, Chaitanya, yes, Riya, and yes, and then we have printed the voters list. So at the output, we can just see that Mayank, yes, and Riya, and Chaitanya. So here, yes, I have voted two times, but in the output here, it is only in one. It has not been repeated. So this is the use of set. Let's go further. Let's understand it. Let's understand the mutable of a set. Adding new voter. Add function adds a new element to the set. So add function will add a new element in our voter list. So here our voters are Mayank, Chaitanya, yes, Riya, and yes. If we print voters, it will print the name, and has yes is repeated, so it will only print one time. But here we use voters add, and we added current. Then when we print voter, the current will be automatically added to our voter list. Similarly, we have to remove a voter, remove deletes an element from the set. So remove will delete the voter from the list of voters set. So as the output, you can just see have removed Ria. I've used it function remove to remove the Ria, and in the output you can just see that yes, Chaitanya and Mayank is the only present in the voters. So what will be happen when we use voters dot add current, and afterwards we just use voters dot remove Ria. So here it will add current and it will remove Ria. So the output will be in this case. So here it is Ria, it will get removed, and the output will be Chaitanya, yes, Mike, and Karan. So yeah, this thing is to be noted. Let's go further. So we have taken an example, real life example for using the set, but there's an improvement that is to be needed. Using voting ID to prevent duplicate votes. So in real life, we cannot rely on only on names, because different people can have same name. Only person may try to vote multiple times, and one person can try to vote multiple times. So instead of using their names, we can just use their voting ID number. So let's go further. So what can we conclude? So they are the key points that is to be remember in this set. So set stores unique elements. Yeah. Duplicate values are not allowed. Yeah. Useful in systems like voting systems, student attendance, unique user IDs, and more. Sets are useful when we need to store unique data without repetition. Thank you for listening my presentation. I hope explanation helped you understanding the concept of sets in Python. Thank you.